Stage 1A, if either endometrium is involved or less than 50% of myometrium. 1B, either 50% or more than 50% of myometrium. Stage 2, cervix is involved. Stage 3A, serosa adnexa peritoneum. 3B, vagina. 3C1, pelvic lymph node. 3C2, para-aortic lymph node. 4A, regional metastasis. 4B, distance metastasis. Important MCQ has been asked at least 200 times. If vagina is involved in cancer endometrium, what is the stage 3B? And the reason this MCQ has been asked quite often is most common site of recurrence in endometrial cancer is vagina. Most common site of recurrence of endometrial cancer is vagina. So this MCQ has been asked quite often. If vagina is involved in endometrial cancer, what is the stage? Stage is 3B. Second indirect MCQ in staging is if a cancer of if a patient of cancer endometrium presents with ascites, cancer endometrium with ascites, what is the earliest stage? Earliest stage is 3A. As soon as peritoneum is involved, ascites will happen. So if ascites with cancer endometrium, 3A. Inguinal lymphadenopathy with cancer endometrium, 4B. Friends, please remember, in both cancer cervix and cancer endometrium, 3C1 pelvic lymph node, 3C2 para-aortic lymph node. In both cancer endometrium and cancer cervix, if inguinal lymph nodes are involved, stage is 4B, 4P. Okay. Then management of cancer endometrium. Management of cancer endometrium is if it is stage 1A grade 1-2, total abdominal hysterectomy. Pelvic lymph node dissection will be done if size is either 2 centimeter or more than 2 centimeter. If it is less than 2 centimeter, no pelvic lymph node dissection is done. Stage 1, grade 3 or 1B, 1A grade 3 or 1B, total abdominal hysterectomy plus pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection. Stage 2, Vardheim hysterectomy plus pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection, which will be followed by radiotherapy. So stage 1A grade 3, 1B, total abdominal hysterectomy plus pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection and post-op radiotherapy. Stage 2, Vardheim hysterectomy, pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection and post-op radiotherapy. Stage 3 and 4, pelvic exentration surgery followed by chemoradiation. Pelvic and para-aortic lymph node dissection is done in all except stage 1A grade 1-2. Second important question here is no adjuvant therapy is required in treatment of endometrial cancer in which stage? No post-op treatment is required only in 1A grade 1-2. No post-op treatment is required only in 1A grade 1-2. In rest of the cases, post-op treatment is required. 1A grade 3 and 1B post-op radiotherapy, stage 2 post-op radiotherapy, stage 3 and 4 post-op chemo radiation. Okay, beta, most common route of spread of endometrial cancer is direct spread. Most common site of recurrence in endometrial cancer is vagina. Most common symptom of endometrial cancer, irregular bleeding PV. Cervical cancer also irregular bleeding PV. Cervical cancer, most specific symptom or earliest symptom is postcoital bleeding. Endometrial cancer, most specific symptom is post-menopause.